All right, so what does AI have to say about West Coast Swing? I typed it into ChatGPT and Google, and this is what they said. Let's see if you agree. So ChatGPT says West Coast Swing is a style of partner dance that originated in the 40s and 50s in California. So far, so good. It's known for its smooth, elastic, and versatile movements, and it's danced to a wide range of music, including blues, rock, pop, and contemporary. So far, so good. The dance is characterized by its slot movement, where dancers move back and forth in a linear space, and it emphasizes strong connection between partners, allowing for a lot of improv and personal expression. The dance style typically features rhythmic syncopations and a connection that lets dancers play with the music and each other. West Coast Swing has a unique style compared to other swing dances like East Coast Swing or Lindy Hop, and it's popular with in both the social and competitive scenes. But let's bring Miss Megan in as I read you what Google AI said. Oh, she's gonna come right on camera, not even a break. No, come on in. So West Coast Swing is a partner, this is what Google AI said. West Coast Swing is a partner dance that originated in California in the 40s and is known for its smooth, stylish movements, and it's characterized by slotted movements where dancers move back and forth in a linear pattern with the leader remaining in the center of the slot at the end of the patterns. Improvisation, right, where both partners can improv while dancing together for a wide range of musical interpretations and personal expression. What's Megan's favorite topic in West Coast Swing?
To connect.
Connection. The dance emphasizes a connection between partners. It includes a lot of footwork, intricate footwork, and syncopated rhythms. And of course, West Coast Swing, the music is what makes it awesome. So it says right here, musicality. West Coast Swing can be danced to a variety of musical styles, including blues, R&B, country, pop, and rock. It has an elastic look, and the dancer's extension and compression techniques of partner connection result in this elastic look. And then finally, and I wonder how much our content has influenced this, because it says the basic patterns, there are basic 6 and 8 beats, but those patterns can be varied by 2-beat increments. We talk about this a lot, right? Where we can vary 2-beat increments, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. West Coast Swing evolved from the Lindy Hop and is considered a smoother, sexier version in the swing dance family. So, did Google and ChatGPT get it right? Did they miss anything? Type in the comments below what you think, what you would say about West Coast Swing, or if anything that the intelligence bots have missed.